Okay, it's recording, so I just thought I'd say today is 10/16, right? It's 10/16, whatever date it shows. It's 28 July 2022, right? I recently got one of these here. The anyways, looks like that on the back. It takes 6C batteries and 2 AA batteries for the memory, all right? If I move out a bit. And of course it's, let's see here. I can put a tape in, alright? Get a tape, this here, and drop it in, and hit that, and hit, and turn this off, put it on radio, alright? So hit play. It will play, but very slowly. And that's about all I know. It looks like that. Right? Does that, and we're playing the CD, so if I put it back on line N, that's playing this here, okay? So, okay, so the line N works. Alright, it's going, you know. It's definitely going, you know, line in, alright? So it works like that, alright? And then, if we hit stop, right, let me zoom back in again. So we hit, oh, sorry, that wasn't even it. Here, put it back on, no, put it on radio off, hit play, so it plays, and if you hit rewind, right, it won't do anything. If you hit fast forward, it won't do anything. If you hit stop and you hit rewind, it will rewind, and if you hit fast forward, it'll fast forward, okay? So, and that's all we're going to show you there about that. Then, let's see here. Then if you flip it over to, now, it goes radio off, then line in. Okay, so that's why we have, you know, the CD playing. Okay, that to radio.
0.7 Kayla.
If Matthew hadn't been killed.
Listen.
So I've already got some memories programmed into this thing. All right. See here, let me zoom into this. Alright, so in case you can't, there we go. So when you hit the little button, maybe you can't, oops, I hit something. I hit the tuning thing. Anyway, but here, if you hit that, it lights up. Okay, so can you see that? Lights up, that 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 lights up. And I give it some volume. I don't want to play the music because I gotta, you know, whatever. So then let me just zoom out a bit, all right? So this, well, a bit more, okay. Taking too much time on this little thing. This has a, you know, balance tone and volume. It's got your, see, I'm trying to look in the thing as I show this, but got metal tape mode, biphonic wide and stereo and mono, right? Radio line in and tape off, and got your memory buttons. Then on the front it's got, let's see here. On the front it's got, well, it's hard to see, but it's got a, I don't even think the dial light works, but it's got that. It's this model here, and anyway, let me just wide out some more here. There we go. Okay, so it's got a digital tuner here. Tape deck plays, but very slowly. I did open it up and everything, and it's very difficult to replace the belt, so I didn't do that, okay, because it's a nice sounding radio, and that's all I know. Alright, so I'm just going to put that down. Alright, and I also recently got one of these monsters, okay. Let's see here. again, just white out some more so you can see it. All right, and let's see here. Let's see here. Where's the stop eject? Come on, open. This doesn't work completely. It does need the controls cleaned and such, but again, let's see. Hit play. So there's that, and that's the wrong side. I want to play the other side. So here's that, this. Let's see here. Play. And this rewind and fast forward. There we go. Looks like that. One of these plugged in, okay? Flip it over to radio.
Life.
This just happened to It's like NEC.
Radio works.
The last.
AM works.
Yeah, might as well put that in there.
Wave, I don't know.
Following leading the way for
Oh man. See, you young kids don't know anything about that. Come on.
And then back to tape. Well, enough of that. Alright, so if you don't know what model this is, I'm not about to tell you because you should know it. But anyway, so I've got one of these. Okay, alright. Then, okay, and then I've got, okay, this here. See if I can do this. Alright. This here is a recently reviewed National RX-5105. Alright, so, and I'm not going to, well here, can I play it? Alright, what do I do with my tape? Here's the tape. Okay, so hit eject, hit your tape. There goes the phone. This is the right side. Okay, hit that, hit play. So. Alright, that's fast forward. I want to rewind. There we go. This one's a little excited. Come on now. Is that where I want to be? I think I've gone too far. Maybe I need to go this way. Trying to find that darn song. No. Alright, I'm having too much fun here. Wait, stop, eject. Oh, I went too far. I need to rewind this thing. Good grief. Alright, here. Hit play. Oh, that's the wrong way. I need to go this way. Good grief. Sorry, taking so much time. No, more. Is that it? Come on. Oh, it stopped. Ah. Wait. Oh man, what happened now? I went to the beginning. Good grief. I want to rewind this, wait, rewind is going the other direction, right? So, okay. Oh, my goodness. Well, at least you know it rewinds. Okay. Another fake call. Hello. Yeah, who's this? I don't care, Amy. Goodbye, Amy. Bye, Amy. Alright, so is that far enough back? Stop. Now, this is rewind. Alright, stop. Stop. Okay, so now forward. Rewind. No! Is that it? I've wasted enough time here. That's close enough. Yeah, it's close enough. Fine. So anyway, that works. All right. But now the thing I wanted to see if I can do is where to go. Okay. This one here. All right. Well. Okay. All right. Just do it this way. Don't trip on nothing. Just give me the darn thing. You can check the time. See how much time I've used on this mess. Alright, 11, well not so bad, I guess. Alright, so this model here is, if I white out, there we go. This model here is just a fraction of an inch narrower than the 5100, okay? And it is, let's see, can we get it? Alright, see here, just, okay, there's so much limited room here. As they're obviously both sitting on the ground, this is just kind of a top view angle, right? So this one here is what, just a fraction taller than that one, right? But they both take 8D batteries, and they look like that. All right, so let me, okay. Anyway, so, okay, that's the NEC. So I'm going to go back to, all right, so here, just, nice, there, like that. Look at the thing on the screen. Okay, great. Alright, so, yeah, this is just, okay, alright, it's going to be, okay, so there's that one, right? Get your tape out, you got your tape out, right? That has line in as well, so does this, alright? So, once again, take my tape, alright, and hit eject, and heads go this way. So now we can look at it normally, hit play, and then, no. You got to hit that up for it to lock in place. This one works so much nicer than that one. Right, so I want to do that again. I want to go 2 times, just maybe. Oh, well, that's the song I'm trying to get to, darn it. Right. Kind of hard to look at that thing upside down and look at the tape. So that's the beginning, right? Great, perfect. So hit stop, hit that, take this out, right? And this one here, let's see here. This also has line in, so this has been spinning all this time, all right? So if we get the, remember it's the ones closest to the center, which is, even though it's, you know, Japanese stuff, it's these two are the line in, these are the line out, all right? So this goes here, all right? That goes there, all right? And then we just come over here and we flip it up. This says tape, radio, and phono line in, so there's that. Okay, so of course we can jump this like that. So it's running on batteries. That's why it's doing that. Like that, and of course you can flip it over to radio.
That would be so improved.
so that works and it's loud. Okay, so as I like to do everything in duplicate, all right, I have, let's see here, and this is running on batteries. What have we got in here for today for batteries? Yeah, we've got those in there. We've got the Zentner batteries, all right, so don't need to show you those, but okay, so now that I've verified my power cord is good, we can turn this thing off. Forgot to turn this thing off because I can see the idiot lights on there for idiots. So, hey, it's still running on batteries. Okay, there's a. So now, today, in the mail, not really in the mail, but I got this box, right? So, and it's, you know, it came all the way from the same place that I got this thing from, okay? All right, so, and wouldn't you know it, it's another one of those, all right? So here we go. So just, oh my goodness. All right, so. And, all right, so this, okay, what is going on here? This is what is this, an extended box? It's an extended box. Isn't that interesting? They actually took this box here and they added an end piece to it. It's not even. Okay, so, well, that's how they engineered a way to package this with, you know, bubble wrap and such, and they put a piece of cardboard here on the back to protect that. That's nice. And I got a little smattering of, you know, bubble wrap stuff in it, like that, so here we go, and then get my scissors here. All right, so, now if I remember right reading the description for this, that this is a one belt operated tape deck, all right? Means that it goes on gears and a jack shaft and all that, all right? But that one belt, as it moves on a pendulum effect, right, in the standard position it'll be fast forward, and when it goes out a bit it becomes rewind. Well, rewind will work, but in fast forward it won't, because if the belt is stretched, when it goes out it stretches the belt to work rewind. When it comes back, the belt is too loose to rotate the fast forward side, and meanwhile it's still turning the capstan. All right, so anyway, so that's how that works in these singular belt designs, which is kind of a good design, meaning it only takes one belt, but it's also simplistic, and if the belt gets worn, then you lose one of your either rewind or fast forward functions. So, okay. And anyway, so just trying to get to this here. So, let me get it out like this. Yeah. And this one, okay, I want to point out something. This one down here is missing one this switch cap cover right here. It just didn't come with it. When I made the video the other day when I got that one there and played it and all that, and I had to go back and look at the original listing, it was like, hey, it's missing the darn thing. But this one has all of its pieces. All right, so it's exactly the same. All right, but it's got 1, 2, 3, all those. It's got these. It's got that. The volume knob is just a hair bigger than, see, is that how I got it on here? Now look at that. Wait a minute. Okay. Ah. So this one's missing, this one has the incorrect volume knob, because the volume knob here is just a fraction larger than all the other knobs. And so this one they may have changed over unless I put wait, that's what I did. I did that. No, it's got the right knobs. I simply put okay, this is supposed to go there. This is supposed to go here. Okay, this is supposed to go there, that's supposed to go here, and this is in the wrong place. So this, well, I don't know. Or no, this is supposed to go in that. Okay, that's what I did wrong. I did that, but this is still missing the one piece. All right, so without further ado, let's try and play this machine here now that I've verified that the electrical power cord works with a smattering of different radios. Okay, a couple of JVCs, a national, and now a secondary NEC. All right. Okay, now before we do that, let's make sure there's not a power cord in here. There's nothing in the power. Okay, there's nothing in the battery compartment. Just this is starting to crumble. All right, and the battery compartment is clean. All right, great. So that snaps in nice and pretty. All right, and we've got a little bit of whatever right there. Okay, so and this is a 100-volt model, but we can plug in 120 volts to it, no issues. All right. Oh, crud. This thing. No, wait. This one takes a figure 8 plug right there, all right? And, well, so does that one. Okay. Did I ever get a figure 8 plug for all these different plugs I got here? Oh my gosh. Let's see here. Are any of these a figure 8? No. No, 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 no. And yes, here's a figure 8 plug. Yay. Okay, so now let's plug in a figure 8. Alright, so there's a figure 8. Okay, and it's on tape. There's radio for the first time ever. It's got that going on. Need okay, so that needs to be cleaned. Alright. And Right, so it's got that. This is there. Put it back on tape. All right. See here. Let's try hit a stop eject. That's nice. The door is solid. Great. Okay, so we hit that. It's not working. That is the rewind. Okay. Hit the motor run. Right. Fast forward. Okay. Fast forward. Nothing's working. Is the capstan turning? Capstan is not turning. I can hear the motor run. So we're not going to play a tape today. We can throw our tape in here. Okay, we'll just hit our tape up here. Drop that in. Okay, so play. Nothing. That. Nothing. This. Nothing. Okay, great. And I already played the radio briefly. So eject. All right. Eject. And let's see. Where's my CD player? Here. Give me my CD player. All right. Here's my CD player. Go back to the inputs on the back here, right? Get my CD player, okay, and plug it into here. Oops. Okay, there is that one. Oh, that's right. We need to fix that other thing. Okay, I just remembered the other. Okay, so now that line in. So. Number 2, yeah. So it needs a belt, totally. as it, anyway, like that. Now I'm going to briefly want to pull this up here and show you this one here, which is similar to it in every respect, except that it, let's see here, it's also, that takes 8D batteries, so does this one, right? I just want to show you that these are equal as far as speakers and cabinet size and all that. All right, so hit try that again. Too much fun here. Well, I forgot to say goodbye on the video. I'm trying to say goodbye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.